In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Google AI Studio app to Stripe. First of all, you need to open up Google AI Studio, then you need to go to your apps. You need to select the app you want to connect to Stripe. For example, I will choose this one. And after that, you need to enter the prompt. As you can see, I entered Connect Stripe, exactly this prompt. And when you type Connect Stripe, you need to click on Enter or just Send button right here. And in 1 or 2 seconds, everything will be ready to connect to Stripe. So I will show you what happens after 2 minutes. So I will go to my app again, and you will see this bar in the bottom, and you need to enter your Stripe secret key right here, and you also need to enter publishable key right here. So you need to enter these two keys right here, and when you enter them and click the apply button, it will connect Stripe to your Google AI Studio app. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.